Hi guys, in today's video, we are going to be taking a look at bypassing antivirus system of Windows. So we're using a program called Shelter. Now Shelter is a program used to perform shellcode injection. So it's going to inject a shellcode into a legitimate Windows portable executable so as to get a reverse shell. So the first thing we need to do is to install Shelter and 132. And as for now, Shelter only supports injection with 32 bits Windows program. Yeah. So take notes. So we need to install 132 and Shelter. And of course we need to add the architecture, which is 32 bits. Yeah. 86 for 32 bits. So once we are done, we need a portable executable to inject the payload with. So we have a directory that contains Windows executables. So we can just navigate to user share, Windows binaries. Then we see list of executables. So when choosing a program to use, it is best to use a portable executable. That's the complete file, the configuration file, the library files and stuff like that. So it helps to, it is less detected by antivirus systems, and it's a way to, make the OS load the. It's a way to, it contains the necessary files required by the OS to load the program. So I'll be using VNC Viewer, and I have to make a copy of this. So I'll be using a copy for the injection. So I have to create a directory, a subdirectory in my home directory. So I'll name this VNC, and I'll make a copy of this. So VNC. So once we are done with that, we need to run Shelter. Then change directory to Shelter. And then run with admin privilege Shelter. Yeah. So wait for this to run. Just a few seconds. And here we are. So okay. So select A. We choose A for automatic mode, and we need to specify the path to our portable executable, which was the VNC we copied. So I'll specify the path to the program. VNC v1.exe. Then automatically Shelter is going to make a backup of the program, and you can see the minimum supported OS by Shelter. So wait for this to finish. So it is eliminating some information. So you just have to wait for it. So Shelter is going to perform obfuscation and packing. And packing is a method. It's a method of creating a new binary structure of a payload or program so as to evade antivirus system. And obfuscation is a way of hiding some information, maybe signatures of a payload for antivirus systems. So of course you need to enable stealth mode because you want the program to act as it should, and to run the payload in the background. And so we have the option to use one of the listed payloads here, or to use a custom. So I'm using a custom payload, and I will encode the payload. So I'll be using M7 to generate the payload. Then Windows interpreter, reverse CCP. Then I will encode with this Shikata. So Shikata has a great feature of advanced protection, and it can give you a higher chance of evading antivirus systems. So then I'm going to encode 12 times by adding an iteration value of 12. So it's going to perform encoding 12 times, and I'll specify the yellow listening host. So you can check what our IP is. It's 122. 192.162. Then listening ports, and then 3030 outputs to Windows.exe. So you can see the iteration from 0 to 11 makes it 12. So here we are. We have the Windows executable and the payload. So we need to type in C to use our custom payload. Then the path to the custom payload, which is Sultan, then Windows.exe. No. So that's the obfuscation, polymorphic. Yeah. So it is done, and so I want to compare the size. So as you can see, it's having a size of 364 kilobytes, and the original binary is 356 kilobytes. So this is to show that it's going to add to the size because that's been injected with the payload, so the size is going to increase. Yeah. So after that, what we need to do is to transfer the PE to our target machine. So I'll be setting up a server to transfer. So I need to change my directory first today. So we're on the target system. So I'm going to download this, then save it. So when you open, we're going to be using Metasploit. So when you open Metasploit, we're using Multi-HANA to listen for connection. So you can set the host to our IP. The ports 3030. So set listening port to 3030. Then set payload to this. Then run. Because it is a reverse shell, we have to listen first before we can execute the payload. So payload on the target system to get a shell. So you can see we are connected to the Windows machine, and we can type in sysinfo I was looking for a command to shut down the machine, but I didn't see. So anyway, I just type in IP config. So I can see the IP address of the Windows machine. So this it's very hard for this to work on Windows 10 machine with this method. So it only works on older antivirus systems. So if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks.